Committee on Tribal Unity Cotu has declared October 3 as Separation Day, calling for 12-hour total shutdown along National Highway 2, which is the state's lifeline route, from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. In a public notice, Cotu said the conflict that erupted on May 3, 2023 remains unresolved nearly 3 years later. The organization held the former BJP-led state government under N. Biren and MP Sana Jawa responsible for deepening the division. Cotu said the monthly observance honors the brave and beloved brethren and fallen heroes who defended Kuki-Jo lands from encroachment by non-tribal communities. This year's October 3 observance is intended to remind the Government of India that Kuki-Jo community has already been physically and demographically separated from majority Meitei community. The statement added that all business establishments, academic institutions and market along the highway will remain closed except for medical emergencies and funeral processions. Cotu thanked the public for the cooperation over the years and urged continued unity in the struggle for emancipation.